Good morning guys. I know you guys are probably not here to watch my video, but really just here to get that free callsorputs.com. Well, I'm adding one more thing to that. I'm going to add the Chance Trades membership as well for 1 month because I am not too active right now since I'm doing my Airbnb gig as well. So I'll add that on for you guys and you guys could check out what we're about, the alerts that we send out, and also using callsorputs.com with our technical analysis inside of the Discord to upgrade your trading. I always tell people, don't be cheap on yourself. This is an opportunity for you guys to see the power of using a good tool to actually make your trading better so that you guys can see if it's worth it. Once you guys see the platform for a month and also see the Discord for a month, hopefully a lot of misconceptions about the platform and Chance Trades is clarified, because we're not about getting rich quick. We are solely about technical analysis, using callsorputs.com, applying it to technical analysis as a confluence to make a higher probability trade. So what stocks I'm watching, that's going to be part of the video. The code is going to be somewhere within the video just to make sure that you guys are following along in the video instead of just being here to get the code, because this is about a learning experience, what we do for you guys and what our Discord server is about. As you guys know, the market's been, hella crazy month, or even last year to be exact, but technicals work. I got myself into Elliott Wave not too long ago and it's been doing quite all right. We noted that it's the 4-hour chart, so it doesn't really show what we're looking at, but this was the huge dump, this candle right here. In the prior YouTube video, if you guys watched that one, we actually caught this whole dump. So if you want to backtrack to see how technical analysis works, you would see that we have called this one out, that it will react to our demand level here and then go back up, which it did, as you can see here. This was also covered in our Discord server, which I could show you guys in a bit. But where is the market gonna go? The truth is, I don't think anybody knows, and that's why we just strictly play technicals and levels. That's all we do here, and no emotions involved. You must be able to just scalp the market like that, especially with these current market conditions. The market as of right now, the nearest supply level, which means quote unquote resistance, you guys might be accustomed to that more, would be this 4688 level. I do believe that we should potentially come here and probably head back a little lower, so something like this. I still think that we should tag this level, the 450 area. This would be an A equals C correction, which means the length of this one, let me do it real quick. The length of this correction, and a lot of institutions use this, measured to the top of this relief bounce, which gives us this area right here. So this is what we will call, would it get there? No one knows again. But I know that if it does get there, this is called a high probable bounce area for Elliott Wave traders and technical traders. This is an area where we will see a lot of, well, hopefully a lot of buyers step in, and then you'll see a quick uprise in price. I do think we get a bounce here, then we get a move down here. Catching when people or financial gurus catch these moves, it's so easy to call a move up because you have all the time in the world to call a move up, whereas downside, and also the market is rigged to go up, but to call a downside is relatively hard, and we've been consistently doing it. Not timing the market, don't get me wrong, but calling a downside is relatively harder than calling upside on the market. So anyways, that's where we are for the market. The top stocks that I am watching for this week will be, Tesla. I really don't, as you can see here, this is our watch list for my Discord server. We basically let the members choose which stocks they want me to chart, and from there I'll get the top stocks that I'll be watching for the week. So but Tesla they didn't recommend. But I saw Tesla and I was like, wow, this looks like a really good setup. I believe that Tesla is still in a corrective phase. I think we get a relief bounce up to this 1090 level where we will reject and come back lower. I do want to get into Tesla for a long-term play, but that will probably not be until this level right here, or even lower to this level. But all of these levels that you're seeing currently, you're going to see some sort of reaction. And I am glad that the video is online, so I cannot change it, but you guys will see how technical analysis works. And when I say that price moves in sequences, they don't just go up or down. So when I say a price level, a lot of people are like, oh, I'll never get there, I'll never get there. And let me show you a stock that I said is gonna go to $12. And someone on TikTok was like, it'll never even touch the $12 mark, which it is currently. It touched the 12.75 level, I think yesterday. Was it yesterday or? Yeah, it was yesterday. Yes, it was yesterday. Touched the 12.68 level yesterday. And people are like, oh, I'll never touch it. Where I want to get into SoFi will be at this 12.18 level, which I like for a bounce. Let's see if it gets there. Again, price moves in sequences. Things don't just happen right away. So that's very important to know. And that's why trading is all about patience, because you wait for it to hit your levels and that's where you execute. So I am watching SoFi. Tesla is really the only one that I like going into next week. Hopefully, and I do think we're gonna get some sort of relief bounce, hit this 1090 level, and I will short it. Some other stocks that, Fetch. We absolutely demolished this. Again, this is very important to show you guys what the platform does. I think there was a weekly demand zone here. There was a weekly demand zone right here, and this one right here. And as you can see, it reacted out of here. The reason we don't watch Fetch, but the reason we saw it was because of callsorputs.com, where it came in. I'll show you guys here. Came in at 11.54. So if we go to 11.54, 11.54, that was right here. So this golden call came right there. And I saw it. I told the group that I saw it. We also alerted this on our options alert. So we are giving that away for a month as well. Like I said, the code is going to be in this video for both. You use the same code for callsorputs.com and you use the same code, change trades. But this is where we saw Fetch yesterday at 11.58. We wrote buy to open Fetch, risky, going even more riskier than the golden call because I went to a farther out the money call. We also posted in our free trading chat, calls or put subscribers, the ones that don't subscribe to our alerts. We still debunk sweeps here. Callsorputs.com subscribers, Fetch golden call looks interesting. The reason I said it looks interesting, first of all, is because our platform highlighted it as a golden call, which already gives us a step ahead of what people would be seeing if they weren't filtered. So if they weren't filtered, you'll see all of this and you'll be, shaking your head for whatever reason because you don't know which ones to choose. Here, you clearly see that there were a bunch of sweeps coming, even puts, but the puts were not highlighted. Let me see if I could actually show you guys. So those are puts as well. And they were not highlighted. Only the golden call was highlighted. Reason that it brought to my attention was because it was $1.6 million, huge size, 2 months out, which isn't too bad. And it definitely looks like an opening trade. So the golden filter, as you guys know, or might not know, is a potential opening. So if we click potential opening here, it will bring us to the potential opening trades that we have. And if you take it out of the filter, if you guys don't know how to use this platform, there is a how-to video. Make sure you check that out. I did not update this yet, but on my YouTube video, there is a how-to section where you could see how to use this platform and where everything is. There's a watch list function that you could turn on and use. So we saw that fetch call. That's where it came in, which was in our weekly demand zone, as you can see here. And boom, from this level, it goes up a total of 5% to this level right here. And I still think there's continuation, as it's gonna possibly run up into earnings. Anyways, the only trade I am looking at, and actually before I close it out, so it's not exactly at the end of the video, the code for the free month of closerputs.com and chance trades will be chance trades. This is only for first-time users. So if you're already a customer here at Closer Puts or Chance Trades, you will not have access to it. It is within our system that we can see which users are in it already and which are not. So unless you're a new customer, you will not have access to the free month. Again, the code is Chance Trades. So, and it gives you 1 month off. So that is the code right there. It gives you 1 month for free for both closerputs.com and Chance Trades. So make sure you subscribe, and hope you guys have a great trading week. I know that's what you guys were mainly here for. I guess don't comment below and tell people that it's at the end of the video, because I do want them to be educated and don't just trade blindly with the platform. But do comment below what tickers you guys are watching. Engage with me. This YouTube channel is for you guys to learn. So if you guys want to learn, make sure you comment below. Thank you.